Morning, class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. Today is Tuesday, 13th April 2021. Our topic is numbers and arithmetic operations. Today we will do exercise number 1C, page number 15, question number 9, in which we have to divide and then we have to multiply to check. In this question, we are going to learn two new terms: dividend, divisor, dividend, divisor. The number which is divide is called dividend, and the number through by which a dividend is divide is called divisor. The number inside is called dividend. The number outside the division box is called divisor. Like in that question, 399 is inside, it is dividend, and 17 is outside, it is divisor. Now, today we will do question number 9. Divide the following then multiply to check. Only A to D part of this question are included. We are going to do all four parts. Let's start with A part. A part is 17 divided by 399. So it means first of all we have to find 17 table through multiplication. To find out 17 twos are, we will multiply 17 by 2. 2 sevens are 14. 4 right, 1 carry. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. Same 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 60. 8, 17 sevens are 119, and so on. Now, after finding out the table, we will see number is 39. We will find out in 17 table the number less than 39 or equal to 39. It is 2. 17 twos are 34. So above the 9 we will write 34. Now we will subtract it starting from the unit. 9 minus 4, 5. 3 minus 3, nothing. Now putting down that 9. Now we will find the number less than or equal to 59. That is 17 threes are 51. 17 threes are 51. Now we will subtract 8. 5 minus 5, nothing. So 8 is remainder. Now we will check whether our answer is correct or not. To perform check, we will multiply divisor by the quotient. In that way, 23 multiply by 17. 7 threes are 21. We will write 1 and 2 will be carry. 7 twos are 14, 15, 16, 161. We have done the multiplication of unit place. Then we will place a cross. 1 threes are 3, 1 twos are 2. Now add them up. 1, 6 plus 3, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 391. Now we will add the remainder. Plus 8. Now 8 plus 1, 9. 9, 3. Answer is 399, which was our divisor. So, dividend. So, our question is correct. We have done the correct division. I repeat how we will do the checking procedure. we will multiply divisor and the quotient. We will multiply these both and add the remainder. We will multiply quotient and the divisor, and then we will multiply the remainder. If our answer is equals to the dividend, then our division process is correct, otherwise it is wrong. Our B part is dividend is 4082 and divisor is 62. It means we required a table of 62. So we will find out the table of 62 by multiplication. Like 62 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 124. Now first of all we will consider two digit 40 40. 40 is less than 62, so we will consider three digit 408, and we can see that the number closer to 62 in table of 62 less or equals to 408 is 62 6 are 372, 62 6 are 372. Now we will subtract it. 8 minus 2 6. 0 minus 7 not possible, we will take carry. 10 minus 7 3. Now putting down that 2. Now we will find out the table closer to 362. 62 6 are 372, so we will do it with 5. 5s are 3 10. Now we will subtract it. 2 minus 0 2. 6 minus 1 5. 3 minus 3 nothing, so remainder is 52. Now students, we will multiply it to check. We will multiply quotient by the divisor. Multiply by 62, right? 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13, 6 5s are 30, 0 3 carry, 6 6 are 36 plus 3 39. Now we will add them up. 3 10 4 0 3 0. Now we will add the remainder as 4030 plus 52 is equals to 2804 4082. And if you remember, our divisor was also 4082. It means our division is correct. Now let's see another part. Now C part is dividend is 6351, divisor is 49. We required the table of 49. We have previously find out the table of 49 as well. Now today again we will use table of 49. Number is 6351. We will consider these two numbers because 63 is greater than 49. So 49 ones are 49. Now subtract them. Take a carry. 13 minus 9 is equals to 4. 5 minus 4 1. Putting down that 5. Now we will find out in table of 49 the number closer to 145 or less than 145. Its 49 twos are 98. Now we will subtract them. Here we need to take carry. 15 minus 8, 7. Here we will again take carry. It will become 13. 13 minus 9, 4. Now we will put down the last number, which is 1. Now we will check in the table of 49 the number closer to 471 or less than 471. Its 49 nines are 441, 441. Now we will subtract 1 minus 1 0, 7 minus 4 3, 4 minus 4 nothing. Now this 30 is our remainder. Let's check whether we have done our division right or wrong. It is just like a game. Now we will multiply 129 by 49. 9 nines are 81. We will write 1 and 8 carry. 9 twos are 18. 26. We will write 6 and 2 will be carry. 9 ones are 9, 10, 11. Place a cross. 4 nines are 36. 6 and 3 carry. 4 twos are 8 plus 3, 11. 1 right, 1 carry. 4 ones are 4 plus 1, 5. Now we will add them. 1, 12, 3, 6, 6, 3, 2, 1. Now we will add the remainder, which was 30 plus 30. 1 and 0, 1. 2 plus 3, 5. 3, 6, 6, 3, 5, 1. And if you remember, our quotient was 6, 3. Dividend was 6, 3, 5, 1. So it means our division is correct. In that way, you will do A, B, C and D part on your notebook. If you have any problem, you can ask in the comment box. Allah Hafiz.